Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, today we're talking about a major alliance and a 46,000% XRP price breakout. So, guys, let's get to it. So, guys, right now, in the midst of all this malarkey that is going on back and forth over the Ripple case, on and on and on, some big time developments are happening in the background that are going to have massive implications for this space. Guys, just check this out right over here. Ripple and XRP Labs join Hedera and Algorand ecosystems as founding members of the XRP Alliance. Guys, just listen to this right here. Ripple and XRP Labs are the two big names to join the Decentralized Recovery Alliance as founding members. The two joined Swirls Labs and Algorand Foundation with 2-year seats on the Technical Oversight Committee. Guys, this is a major deal because what we're watching here is an advancement in this digital asset space where assets that have been lost or potentially stolen could absolutely be recovered. And this space needs this kind of infrastructure in order to see the adoption that we are all looking for. Now, just listen to this right here. And here's the tweet. We are excited to announce that Ripple and XRP Labs have joined the Swirled Labs and Algo Foundations as founding members of the Decentralized Recovery Alliance with 2-year seats on the Technical Oversight Committee providing input on governance and core alliance policies. And there you see it right there. This is amazing. The alliance currently boasts well-known alliance members including Accor, Bank Social, Blade Labs, The Building Blocks, Casper Association, Constellation Network, the Hashgraph Association, the HBAR Foundations, and Revive Labs. These alliance members will give inputs on policy and provide oversight. The DREC Alliance was put together by Dr. Lehman Baird, who is, by the way, the founder and creator of the Hedera Hashgraph, the co-founder of Hedera, and was launched in January 2024 as a joint effort between Algorand and Hedera. The movement seeks to revolutionize Web3 space through digital asset recovery by offering an open source methodology. DREC's industry standard method makes the process of securing and, guys, recovering digital assets, passwords, accounts, and other secrets as straightforward as they are in existing Web2 space. This is absolutely monumental because, guys, we are looking forward to a day when we see institutional investment into this space. And one thing that they need, guys, is they need the ability to absolutely go out there protecting people's assets, the ability to recover them when they've been misapplied, misappropriated, or potentially stolen. That is part of their financial fiduciary responsibility. And guys, this is going to help provide it in a big way. Now listen to this. The DREC protocol is essentially an open source secret management protocol. The idea is to share tiny bits of secrets among a set of people called helpers. These helpers will hold tiny bits of these secrets that can help the original user recover the secret whenever necessary. Interestingly, each helper's secret does not provide any sufficient information about the original secret. So you get a little bit here and a little bit here, and nobody else knows the other person's bit, which is really crucial. The original secret can only be constructed when half or more of the users share the tiny bits with the user. Through an automatic mechanism to reshare the secrets whenever they change, users can always confirm that the helpers have their tiny bits of secrets. All these happen anonymously within the protocol with no real identity revealed. And this is what I believe, yes, this is John Woods. He says, I'm thrilled with the addition of these new members to the DREC Alliance, said John Woods, the Chief Technology Officer of the Algorand Foundation. As more and more influential projects join the Alliance, we reach the critical mass required for DREC to yield its hugely positive impact on the entire industry. The DREC Alliance is a group of individuals and organizations committed to making the process of securing and recovering digital assets, accounts, passwords, and other secrets as simple as existing Web 2 experiences, said Dr. Baird. We encourage every blockchain and every industry to work together to create the standards and the open source code needed to bring safety to the promise of Web3 without the complexity. Guys, there are so many people out there that have literally lost assets just in the process of making a simple transfer. Can you imagine if they were able to recover those assets without actually having divulged their private keys? And this is what they're talking about, guys. We have to see this kind of innovation if we're going to see the adoption that we are all believing for, where it is seamless between each and every ecosystem in this space. And I'll tell you what, when we see this kind of stuff absolutely happening, guys, that's a foreshadowing of what's to come. It is going to be absolutely amazing. As we work towards mass retail adoption, it's becoming increasingly clear that advanced yet user-friendly solutions for key recovery are essential, uniting experts to enhance interoperability and simplify the user experience without compromising security. I am proud that XRP Ledger Labs is a founding member committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible together, said Weetsi Win, founder and CEO of XRPL Labs. The Alliance leaders have strong opinions on the importance of the protocol, citing its potential to remove complexities and promote mass adoption of Web3. Guys, this is going to be major. Why? Because right now we are seeing major legislation around the world when it comes to custodying these assets. And a lot of this legislation is saying, hey, we want security for our retail investors and institutional investors, and we're looking for institutional grade custody solutions that protect the end user. And of course, security and the potential to avoid loss, if it happens, the ability to recover it. Guys, this is leading big time into the future. And I'm telling you what, I believe these kinds of alliances are absolutely major. And what a telltale marker of what the future is showing for this space. I'll tell you what. Now, listen to this right here. Wall Street expert calls XRP final buying opportunity. Listen to this. XRP, the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has not matched the performance of other top cryptocurrencies, despite the prolonged underperformance and skepticism from many in the community. Some analysts and experts believe the digital asset has a bright future and can still outperform the rest of the market. According to data from CoinMarketCap, XRP currently trades around that 51-cent range, a notable decline from its position a month ago where it was at 61 cents. And guys, I'll tell you what, when it dropped down to that 41-cent range, boy, did Judy and I look at that as an opportunity, and we absolutely loaded up. This underwhelming performance has caused concern within the cryptocurrency community. Over the past 9 months, the price has fluctuated between 40 cents and 70 cents, with the last breach of the dollar mark occurring 3 years prior. Notably, it has consistently remained within the same range observed in mid-2018. And guys, we've had some big-time technical analysis guys come out and literally point out that in this last 6-year range, we are literally coming to an apex. And how many times have we seen XRP just tinker along just like that. A lot of people just give it up and saying, forget it. And then all of a sudden, bang, life-changing money coming in, and gains like have been absolutely crazy. And that is truly something else. Now listen to this. Despite the recent slump, some industry figures remain optimistic about XRP's future. Wall Street analyst Linda Jones recently highlighted the speculative scenario of XRP potentially becoming a global reserve currency. The theory, which has gained traction within the XRP community, originates from 2017 blog post by Ripple, where it declared its unwavering commitment to establishing XRP as the world's reserve digital currency. And guys, when we were at XRP Vegas, and this has gone viral over X, I uploaded a video to X that somebody had actually taken a clip from, and it was Brad Garlinghouse at the Chamber of the Chamber of Digital Assets, the Chamber of Commerce for Digital Assets. Wow, was that ever a tongue twister for some reason? Anyway, they had a banquet, and at the banquet, Brad Garlinghouse was being interviewed by his best friend, Mike Larrington. And Brad Garlinghouse flat out came out and said, hey, if people think that Ripple is not going to be utilizing or is not going to be behind XRP, they have lost the plot. What was the plot, guys? The plot was to bring Ripple to the forefront of the wide world. And he basically said that Ripple is 100% behind XRP. Now listen to this. Jones emphasizes a crucial trend: the potential shift away from the US dollar as the primary reserve currency for certain nations. Notably, members of the BRICS economic bloc, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are increasingly exploring alternative options, including asset-backed reserves like gold. The XRP community believes the XRP's characteristics make it a suitable candidate for this role, citing statements by Ripple executives like Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz. During a public online discussion last year, Schwartz acknowledged the desire for a decentralized reserve currency not controlled by a single nation. He suggested that cryptocurrencies like XRP could potentially fulfill this function. Now, something, guys, that a lot of folks don't think about or maybe even know is the X and XRP is about making it agnostic on a global level. That is what that X means. And in fact, you can go look that up and fact check it. It's really quite interesting. Now, considering the current low price of XRP, the nearing conclusion of the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC, Jones suggests this might be the last opportunity to acquire XRP at such a value. And guys, it could very well be. Now, I want you to see something that's really quite neat for me. Here is yours truly with Linda P. Jones at the XRP Vegas conference. Guys, it was truly amazing to meet Linda P. Jones right there. It was absolutely fantastic. Now, additionally, she anticipates the passing of stablecoin legislation in 2024, potentially followed by broader cryptocurrency regulations in 2025. These developments, in her opinion, could pave the way for significant growth in the XRP market. Now, having said that, not everyone shares Jones' optimism. XRP enthusiast Rob Licker criticized the notion of XRP becoming a global reserve currency as unrealistic and outdated. He argues that such narratives create unrealistic expectations and encourage the belief that simply holding XRP will lead to significant wealth accumulation through a sudden price increase. But listen to what he says here. Licker believes that the actual value of XRP will be more heavily influenced by the development and success of projects actively building on the XRP ledger. Examples include Anodos Finance, Helvet X Labs, Bayset Labs, Xspectre, and Flare Networks. These projects contribute to the overall utility and ecosystem growth of XRP, potentially leading to more organic and sustainable price increase in the long run. Guys, they're talking about two sides of the same coin: XRP's utility and XRP's necessity. Guys, we are dealing in a wide world right now where you're seeing the liquidity issue being absolutely exploded. We are dealing with a massive, massive liquidity issue. And what is a primary function that XRP solves? Guys, the nostro vostro, the ours, yours accounts, when you're talking about trillions of dollars of locked up liquidity in order to satisfy those cross-border payments. Well, hey, XRP satisfies that on a global level. And in fact, the Bank of International Settlements is working with Ripple in order to solve the interoperability issue between central bank digital currencies. And guys, what is the bridge asset? It is XRP. And on the opposite side of that, you had better believe the utility is truly something phenomenal of what it can do and how fast it can do it. So guys, I believe both these folks are absolutely presenting plausible scenarios that we could see in the future for XRP. Now, just take a listen to this right here. Analyst foresees 46,907% XRP price breakout after the Bitcoin halving, which has already happened. Block Bull, a prominent crypto analyst on X, has presented a bullish forecast for XRP, suggesting a potential price surge to $246 by March 2025. This prediction hinges on the historical price movement of XRP following the previous Bitcoin halving events. The analyst highlights a recurring pattern in the past two Bitcoin halving cycles based on weekly chart data. He reveals that XRP consolidated within a symmetric triangle in the periods leading up to the halvings, and that is 2015 to 2017 and 2020 to 2021. Notably, in both instances, a significant price breakout materialized roughly 252 days after the halving event. Following the breakout from the symmetrical triangle in both cycles, XRP embarked on a sustained uptrend. In March 2017, the first instance culminated in an interim peak of 43 cents, 336 days after the Bitcoin halving. The price increase continued, reaching an all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018. And we know, guys, that it started that year at 0.006. Can you even fathom that? A $6,000 investment in 1 year would have netted you $3.84 million. That is mind-bending. Now, the pattern repeated itself during the 2020-2021 cycle. The chart indicates a breakout of 252 days after the third Bitcoin halving, which happened in May of 2020. With XRP recovering from a low of 24.44 cents. Actually, guys, in December of 2020, it dropped to 17.48 cents. Similar to the previous cycle, a price uptrend ensued, leading to a peak of $1.96 in April 2021, 84 days after the breakout. This cycle concluded in November 2021 with XRP unable to surpass its January 2018 all-time high, and of course, because it was under that suppression of the SEC lawsuit, but even still did a 1,200% return in a period of just 4 months. Now, that is amazing. Now, listen to this right here. Block Bull anticipates a similar pattern unfolding in the current cycle, followed by the fourth Bitcoin halving that occurred last month. His analysis projects a breakout for XRP around December 2024. Following this, XRP will reach an interim peak in March 2025, 336 days after the halving. Finally, XRP will experience a massive surge towards the end of the cycle, 539 days after the halving, culminating in his final target of $246.65. Guys, that is absolutely amazing. I don't think there's a one of us who would not like to see that on the board. When you're seeing stuff like this, guys, and remember, we've heard lots of these technical analysis guys concur with one another over 2017, and in fact, further on down, You're basically seeing, this is what it says here. It says XRP is currently trading at 52.47 cents. This surge represents a 46,907.8 increase for XRP. While Block Bull's prediction appears audacious, it finds some support from past forecasts. Other analysts have shown how XRP can reach $200, and many have higher bullish expectations for the digital asset. The next few months will be intriguing as investors watch to see if XRP can reach the lofty post-halving targets set by analysts. Guys, he is not alone in his TA. And there are a lot of these guys that have said these numbers could happen. Now, will they happen? Guys, I sure hope they do. We don't have a crystal ball to see into the future. But boy, I'll tell you what, are the fundamentals ever screaming like crazy. When you literally see all of this kind of stuff, and Linda P. Jones, who is an absolute brilliant, marketer on Wall Street, and you're watching this kind of association when it comes to all of these things that are being built, this alliance, with Ripple and Hedera Hashgraph and Algorand, and creating infrastructure for when the adoption happens and the institutions move in that is going to satisfy their fiduciary responsibility. Guys, we can see what the future is building to. And that is where Judy and I get our absolute confidence in what we believe on the inside. And I'll tell you what, like I say, we have got that ticket. Cannot wait, because guys, this is going to blast off right through the stratosphere. That is genuinely what I believe. So guys, we've all heard it said that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and getting your plan in place could be the difference between making it and breaking it. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one, for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced toward your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe, drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.